Kapatid, palagi lang binabato sa atin itong pag-asawa ng mahal na propeta ng 6 years old at na-consummate ang marriage sa 9-year-old na si Aisha. Wala siguro sila makita ng ibang ibabato eh. Ilang beses ko na ito sinasagot na sa panahon nila, their time in their culture allowed, even in 12th century, 13th century, and 14th century, and even in 15th century, mga Europeans and Americans, they practice even 6-year-old, 8 years old pag-asawa. I give the names of the list of the names, mga kilalang mga tao sa western part. Okay? So, hindi sila makikinig, talagang ginagamit nila ito pang babato. Okay? So, dito tayo sasagutin natin dito sa mga Jewish scholars. Kung sinong may karapatan and more authentic, more knowledgeable to give a commentary of the Old Testament. Walang iba yung mga Hudyo mismo. Kasi mga Hudyo sila eh. So, yung mga rabbi, yung mga scholars nila, ang mayroong malaking karapatan to give the commentary of the Old Testament. Dahil sila sa kanila itong aklat na ito at sila nagmamahal sa aklat na ito. At nirespetuhan nila yung mga scholars nila sa kapanahunan ngayon. Sa kapanahunan nila, hindi kagaya ngayon na itong mga Kristiyano na ito ay binubura lang yung mga scholars o mga Hudyo, parang sila na itong mga pagan ngayon, mga Christian pagan ngayon involved sa Trinity, parang silang may malaking karapatan to interpret the Old Testament. Okay? Which is very funny. Okay? Example, ito si Rabbi Solomon Itzhak. Well known ito sa pangalan Rashi. Ay kinikilala ito na malaking Jewish scholar. A renowned medieval French Jewish scholar. Well known. Renowned. Kinikilala. He was born in 1040 sa Troyes, France. And he died July 13, 1105. Okay? Well known itong scholar. Respected Jewish scholar siya. Commented sa Genesis 25 and 20 stating that Rebekah was 3 years old when she married Isaac. He based his argument and calculation when Isaac was 37 years. Okay? When Abraham returned from Mount Moriah and was informed of Rebekah's birth, which coincided with Sarah's death. Yung pagkamatay ni Sarah, nag-edad si Sarah ng 127-year-old. Okay? Rashi then suggested that Isaac waited 3 years. 3 years. Okay? Continue dito. For her to be fit for marriage. He uses verses from the Bible to justify his commentary na si Isaac married Rebekah sa nag-edad ng 3-year-old. At siya lang ba ang scholar na nagsabi nito? Ito naman si Johann Boxtor, isa din siyang scholar. Siya nagsabi that he cites also Rashi's view. He also agreed that Rashi tama siya sa kanyang paggamit sa Biblia pagpapatunay na si Rebekah ay 3-year-old. At that time, sa Isaac 40-year-old. Si Johann Boxtor. Ibigay ko mamaya ang mga pangalan nila dito para i-research ninyo kung sino sila, malalaman ninyo. Ito naman si Zuhar. Zuhar, a major work of Kabbalah. Okay? Mentioned that Isaac married Rebekah when she was 3-year-old. Another scholar ito si Zuhar. Okay? Another Mishnah. Itong mga rabay ito sila. Okay? Sa Mishnah, the Mishnah is a collection of a Jewish oral law, contains law that some interpret as giving approval for intercourse with a betrothed girl anytime after the age of 3. Kung binibetrothed ka, according to their book of the Jewish book, tinatawag na Mishnah, pwedeng gaganunin ang babae pag after 3-year-old. Okay? Ay, huwag mo sabihin na itong mga Jewish scholar na ito ay itong collection of the Jewish scholars also, wala itong silbi. Kayong mga paganong mga Kristiyano nga mahilig sa Trinity, tatlong Diyos, ay tama kayo. At yung mga Jewish scholars, mali sila. At yung mga koleksyon nila. So, ibibigay ko ang mga pangalan ninyo, mga kapatid. Ibigay ko sa inyo. Ito, basahan ninyo ito. Si Isaac was born sa young 100-year-old si Abraham. Mabasa sa Genesis 21 verse 5. And Genesis 23 verse 1 to 2 indicates that Sarah died at the age of 127. And Genesis chapter 25 verse 20 mentioned that Isaac was 40 years old when he married Rebekah. Deduction from these verses, some scholars deduced that Isaac was 37-year-old when Sarah died. Okay? Dito lang naman magtapos mga kapatid. 40 anyos sa Isaac, inasawa niya si Rebekah. Rebekah, 3-year-old, according to the collection of the tinatawag na Mishnah, the Jewish collection, and also Zuhar, ito ay isang kilalang writer, Johann Boxtor, and he was also a well-known scholar. He quoted Rashi as tama daw si Rashi. At ito naman siya, kilalang Rashi, well known as Rashi, siya ang isang rabbi na very renowned medieval French Jewish scholar. Siyang nagsasabi, 3-year-old. Ibigay ko sa inyo ang mga site at mga pangalan para maliwanagan ang inyong mga kukuti, masarado mga kapatid. If you are laughing, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, dahil nag-asawa siya ng 6-year-old and he consummated the marriage of the 9-year-old, how about yours? The books, the collection of the Jewish scholar nagpapatunay na pwede nang gaganunin ang isang babae kung siya ay pinakasalan, betrothed, 3-year-old. After 3-year-old, pwede na. Sino kayo? ng mga Kristiyano kayo magbigay ng interpretation in the Old Testament. Itong mga Jewish rabbi, wala silang alam. Kayo mga Kristiyano, mas maalam kayo kaysa aklat ng mga Hudyo. Maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.